Welcome to the speaking section of the IELTS exam. My name is Ruchika and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And first of all, I want to ask you, how may I address you?
My full name is Jyoti Khumawat, but you can address me as Jyoti.
This speaking has three parts and I will give you instruction for each. Okay, Jyoti. For part first, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better. And some question will be on general topic. Okay. First of all, Jyoti, do you enjoy morning or night more and why?
If you ask me, if you give me a choice between morning or night, so I'm definitely a night owl because I feel that nights are way more productive because the world seems to slow down. There is no hustle bustle, there is no extra noise, and I feel more productive. You can do your work more easily. And even in my 12th class, I used to study late nights.
Okay. What is one thing you could not live without?
Well, one thing I could not live without will be definitely food and cooking because I'm a foodie person and as much I enjoy eating food, I also enjoy cooking because when I cook, especially for myself, I can do a lot of experiments. For example, one day when I was cooking Maggie, I added ketchup in that. Mostly people hate it, but I loved it because it was in a moderate amount. So please don't hate me for that.
Okay, Jyoti, if you could instantly become an expert in something, what would it be?
If I would become expert in something, it will definitely be in psychology because I want to learn reading people's mind and about their personality. This will help me in interacting more with strangers. I can know them well about their personality and about their behavior easily. So this will help me in communicating and interacting.
Okay. What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Usually, whenever I have a long day, the very first thing I do is when I go to the home, I put on my comfortable clothes, which are like shorts or t-shirts, and then I start the music. I listen music. I also pass my time by watching my favorite show or TV serial and relaxing all the day.
Okay. My next question is, do you think people depend too much on technology? Why and why not?
Yes, I feel that people depend too much on technology and that their dependence on the technology is increasing day by day, and especially children. Because from the day-to-day work they are doing by the technology, they are becoming lazy, less productive. For example, when a teacher gives homework, the students go frequently to ChatGPT and take out their answer. The spoon feeding has increased so much by the technology.
Okay, that's right. Tell me about a teacher who inspired you.
About a teacher who inspired me. Like there are a lot of teachers in my life who came, my school teacher, my tuition teacher, and many more. But if you ask me one teacher who inspired me, that will definitely be Rishabh sir. When I joined English Zone, he not only helped me study, but in many things about my life, about my career, about my goals, everything. And today, am able to speak English very fluently. I learned not only English about public speaking, interacting with strangers, inquiry, seminar, everything he taught me.
Okay. Uh, if you could travel back in time, which era would you like to visit?
I really wish that I would have a time machine, and if I get a chance to travel back in the time, I would definitely go in the post-independence era of India because as I'm a student of political science, I studied many things about after post-independence era about how there was tragic transfer of population because there was a partition, about how our government started first general election of 1952. They all seems very interesting in study, so I want to see them live and experience the moment.
Okay. What do you enjoy more, working in a team or working alone?
Actually, this depends on the task, which kind of task I get. But if given a choice between both of them, I would definitely choose working in a team because if we work in a team, we get a chance to learn many things. Like we get a chance to learn coordination, cooperation, collaboration, distribution of work, and how to stay united. So, and working in a team also makes the task easier. So, I would prefer working in a team.
Okay. What if one app you use daily and why?
I use a lot of apps in the phone like Snapchat, camera, gallery, WhatsApp. But the daily app I use is definitely YouTube because YouTube helps us in studies and get watching the funny videos. So mostly I use YouTube for my study purpose. And when I get tired and I want to take a break, I start watching YouTube scrolls and funny videos.
Okay. Do you enjoy learning new things, Jyoti?
Yes, I love learning new things, and whenever I get a chance to learn new things, I definitely learn because learning new things helps me to explore my creativity. Also makes my day productive as we are whenever we get free, we start operating our cell phone and watch TV. But when we can utilize this time by learning new things, so I will definitely advise to other people as well to learn new things.
Okay. What kind of lesson do people learn better from books or real life?
See, books are good teachers. But if you compare between book or real life lessons, real life incidents, then I will definitely choose real life incidents because by real life incident we become more practical. Our creative thinking enhances. Books teaches us about the knowledge. If you want to enhance your academic skills, academic performance, you should read the books. But if you want to enhance your performance in the life, the real life incidents will teach you way more greater than that.
That's true. Okay, for the part second, I will give you a cue card, and on that there will be a topic, and you need to speak around 2 minutes. And if it will be more, then I will definitely tell you. And this is, I think, your cue card topic.